In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call to action to your HubSpot content. We'll walk through this using a blog post as an example, but the same process works for most HubSpot content types. A call to action, or CTA, is usually a button or banner that encourages your visitors to do something specific, like download a guide, book a demo, or subscribe. Adding it directly into your content helps turn casual readers into leads or customers. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left panel and find the content icon. Hover your mouse over it, and you'll see different types of content you can work with, such as blog posts, landing pages, or other assets. For this tutorial, choose blog to open your list of blog posts. From your blog list, select the specific blog you want to add a call to action to. This will open the content editor. Take a moment to scroll through your post and decide exactly where the CTA should appear. A common approach is to include it after a key section of value, near the middle or at the end. Now, in the editor, look at the left toolbar and click the plus icon. This opens the list of available modules you can add to your content. Scroll down through the modules, or use the search bar at the top and look for the rich text module. Once you find it, drag and drop it into your content exactly where you want the call to action to be placed. You'll now see a text editor appear, usually on the left panel, with some sample placeholder text inside the field. Go ahead and delete that sample text so the field is empty and ready for your CTA. To insert your actual call to action, look at the text editor toolbar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Call to Action. A panel will slide open on the right side, showing you the CTAs that already exist in your HubSpot account. Browse through the list, select the one you want to use, and then click Insert at the bottom of that panel. You should now see your call to action appear right inside your content where you place the rich text module. If you like, you can add supporting text above, beside, or below it, such as a short explanation or a headline that makes the CTA even more compelling. Once you're happy with how everything looks, review your content, save your changes, and publish or update the post. And that's it. You've successfully added a call to action to your HubSpot content.